Yeah, dude. What are you doing? Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Watch out. Shit. Oh, what's up, dude? Dude, you're gonna be at a. Oh, so 5 is still no matter what. Oh.
You got it?
No, you got more.
5.
Oh, what?
I'm fucking. Take a picture. This is fucking.
Alright, ready?
Oh, nice, dude. That was it. Oh my gosh.
It's not gonna hit me in the face, is it?
No.
Cool. Hopefully this will be pretty cool. It will be cool.
It's gonna be cool. Alright, let me just. Alright, Bobby, make sure the propellers can't hit your hand. Ready? In 3, 2.
The low point has been updated. Please check it out. It has been updated. Please check it out.
Out there. What's the radius on this thing?
It's pretty far.
Yeah, dude. Let's see how sick, and then shows the view out from over there.
I'm gonna bring it down.
What's the flight time on this?
Each battery, like 31 minutes.
17.
31.
Nice battery,
Or actually get a panel. The panels are sick.
dude. Panel. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to like center the sun a little bit.
Okay, how do I do that?
I see you. Is that a bird? No, it's a plane.
Okay, so here you go. I brought it back, dude.
Okay.
It's safe. And how's the battery on it? What does it tell you? Okay. 34%.
Yeah.
Dude, we literally almost made it to the freaking. If it wasn't so windy, dude, we would have probably gotten it. It's still at 30. And then let's see the sand. Let's see the sand.
Let me get one last shot of this.
It gets off at 7, but I gotta like at least watch the dishes. So I'm so bad. Like, dude, this shit is fucking.
I feel like the plane kind of looks
Just land it on the floor.